Dan selamat pagi waktu Madrid. Sekarang jam 4 pagi. Kita lagi menuju ke bandara. Muka gue ngantuk, gue paling benci penerbangan pagi. Dan entah kenapa ya orang-orang di sini atau di Portugal mereka nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Ngomong ke kita tuh dengan bahasanya, terus kita tuh cuma pakai bahasa tubuh. Saking bingungnya kan. Jadi ya sampai ketemu di penerbangan selanjutnya. Di trip selanjutnya. Ini anginnya kenceng banget tadi pas landing. Jadi kebuka tuh bagus.
In the very near future, shall we? So we're journey of this day here in Luxembourg. Thank you and have a very good morning. Señoras y señores, estamos nuevamente.
Gengs, alhamdulillah we arrived in Luxembourg. Kita udah sampai di Luxembourg. Hi guys, we are in Luxembourg now. Yay! And the weather is a bit cold, but it's okay. I'm okay. Then it's not okay. Sekarang kita udah ada di shuttle busnya dan menuju ke hotel. Sumpah nunggu tuh tadi kayak sekitar, dia bilang 10 menit, tapi ini kurang lebih 10 udah lebih dari 10 menit gitu. Gue udah nungguin, tanganku kedinginan cuy. Dan dia baru sampai. Sekarang kita jalan ke hotelnya. Nah, ini dia hotel yang kita tempatin hari ini, Ibis Hotel. Iblis Hotel. Ya, jadi tuh airportnya benar-benar di dekat banget sama hotel yang kita tinggalin. Salah deh, hotel yang kita tinggalin dekat banget sama airportnya ya. Gitu lebih tepatnya lah. Ini lobbynya. Ini view hotelnya. Dari kamar hotelnya maksudnya gitu. Tuh, bandaranya itu tuh situ.
Do the penguins have knees? Yes or no? You put your itu when you're smoking.
Real-time location on Google Maps, I think that's gonna be fine.
Ini orang king of Netherlands and Luxembourg, but he's staying in Luxembourg because Luxembourg people love him. This guy's the main square, and this is where they have the main market on Saturdays and Wednesdays. The guide said, but it's all under construction, as you can clearly see. Same thing like in Stockholm on the walls, small little counters. And here has 3 buildings. Ini, then cross the bridge to Ini. And then also in the corner. 3 different buildings for the government next to each other. Ini the Royal Palace, and then all the way here, the top, there's the red dragon, which is the symbol of the royal family. When the flag is on the top, he is here, the Duke, but today he's not here, it's Sunday. These are the royal guards. And then here, we have 5 pillars that are watching over the royal family and how they're doing, if they're doing a good job or a bad job. And these are meant to be the people of Luxembourg watching over how the Duke is working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or actually 4. Oh, 5. Ini. In Luxembourg, this is number 3 I've seen so far. We're going to the main palace, which is right here ahead of us.
Sini. Hai banget.
Ini namanya Church Saint Michael, oldest church in Luxembourg, from 1,000 years old. Yeah. Behind me, the last gate of the city. So behind me, small hole, that's where the rich people used to be. And over here, poor people. Not anymore. Now it's a very rich city, country, whatever. Luxembourg, mini Luxembourg. Brain number 5, I think. Brain power. This one's really big. You can see the people, you can see the brain. Big. Court, the tribunal, the justice, and 4 oases represents the 4 elements of the world, which will bring balance. So that's why this modern art is here. We're gonna go back to the city now, as she said. This way. Ini namanya grund, which is ground, because we are very low to the river, and you can see how high up we were in the beginning of the tour.
Guys, no one really asked me what is the building behind, but that's quite nice and beautiful. What is it? So this is a bank. So I already told you about, like the bank. It's quite a lot.
Go down to a scary walkway. Face the fear of heights.
Yeah.
This way. Here he's saying, and I will show you what he means. Because we are really high up, and I'm starting to walk slower. But the views are amazing. There's no bikes. Free photo. They give €1 to the research about Parkinson's disease. So mind the brain hashtag. This is brain number 7 or 8 we have seen today. And they're everywhere. Some are big, some are small.
Well, it says 10 there though.
Sekarang aku lagi ada di Luxembourg, kota Luxembourg. Ini salah satu ibu kotanya negara Luxembourg juga. Jadi ibu kota atau negara itu sama-sama bernama Luxembourg. Terus sekarang aku lagi ada di tengah-tengah kotanya. Ini kayak semacam main square ya, Beb? Is that main square? Ya, jadi kayak semacam main square-nya. Terus hari ini juga hari terakhir kita ada di sini, dan hari ini tepatnya malam ini kita bakalan terbang lanjut ke negara lainnya. So kira-kira negara mana yang bakal kita kunjungin? Ikutin terus, keep on watching. Cuacanya di sini cuacanya di sini mendung, awalnya hujan, gerimis gitu. Terus akhirnya sekarang berhenti dan agak sedikit hangat, tapi tetap fresh gitu. Jujur gue kurang suka kota ini, gue nggak suka. Terlalu apa ya, naik turun. Gue nggak suka pokoknya kalau jalanan naik turun itu. Terus juga kotanya biasa aja menurut gue. Tapi mungkin buat bule itu bagus. Tapi buat gue biasa aja karena ya mirip-mirip tipikal kayak Sweden. Dan kotanya sangat membosankan, kecil tapi ngebosenin gitu, sepi banget. Jadi benar-benar bosen, nggak tahu mau ngapain di sini. Kayak you have nothing to do in here, you know. Makasih udah ngikutin perjalanan kita selama di Luxembourg. Meskipun cuma perjalanan bener-bener short trip, karena kota ini juga bener-bener kecil banget, kotanya bener-bener tiny, dan kita nggak tahu lagi mau ngapain. So kita bakalan balik ke hotel untuk ambil tas, terus kita bakalan lanjut perjalanan kita dari sini ke airport, terus terbang ke destinasi perjalanan selanjutnya. So sampai ketemu di sana.